Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be working with the new Colourpop Orange You Glad palette, which is so pretty. I literally told myself I couldn't buy any more makeup, and then of course they came out with this palette and I was like, why? Orange is, I think, my favorite color to work with on my eyes. Maybe because I have blue eyes, so it's like complementary colors. I don't really know. I just like how it looks on me. I find it very aesthetically pleasing. So obviously I had to, and honestly I think this is one of my favorite palettes I've ever owned, even though it's only one color technically. Oh, it's so pretty. So there's a mix of different formulas here. There is the glitter in the center, which is stunning. Mattes, there are some shimmery shades and satin shades, so you get a lot, and it's only $12 US. So yeah, I've ordered from Colourpop 3 times in the past month, and I'm really hoping they don't come out with something else that I need. Like, I needed this. So there are a few things I want to mention before I get into the tutorial. So first off, if you didn't see my last video, I did actually make an Instagram account after a lot of requests to, specifically for my makeup looks, so link that in the below bar in case you want to follow me, and I'd love to chat with you guys, so go do it. Secondly, I got my eyebrows re-microbladed yesterday. That's why I didn't do anything to my brows today. They're looking amazing. They're gonna get kind of crusty tomorrow, but if you are interested in microblading, I have a whole video showing like the healing process, so you get to see what happens to your eyebrows, because it's not really the most fun experience while you're healing, but it's worth it for me. Anyways, that's why I didn't do anything to my brows in this video. I kind of had to avoid putting any makeup on them. But if you would like to check those other videos out about microblading, I will link them in the below bar, and I'll probably put them in the video link thing that, you know, it'll be there. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm grabbing the shade Creamsicle and I'm packing that in my crease. On a fluffy brush, I am taking Zested and just blending out the edges. Now I'm using Rise and Grind and putting that on the inner and outer V's of my eye, taking care to keep the center of my lid open because I will be cutting the crease for a halo eye. To darken up my inner and outer corner, I'm taking Ya Peel Me and just packing that on the very outer edges just to add some definition. Using some concealer, I am carving out the cut crease halo eye thing, so kind of just doing a half circle type of shape on the center of my lid, and that's all it takes. Without setting the concealer, I am putting Squeeze Me on top, so just packing that wherever I put concealer. And then I am taking a bit of Rise and Grind, once again, just to blend these two shades together. Once you're satisfied, you're going to take the pressed glitter in Clementine and just put that at the very top of your halo eye. I did not use a glitter glue for this and it worked fine, so you don't necessarily need to do that step. And now doing some winged liner and then some mascara and prepping for falsies. For lashes, I'm using the Mariposa Sapphire False Eyelashes in 009 Fantasy Island. These lashes are great and you can literally buy them at the dollar store. So, fun fact. And now I'm just doing the rest of my face makeup so that I can finish the eye makeup under my eyes. So, pretty self-explanatory. I would like to mention that I will put all of these products in the below bar in case you're wondering what I'm using on my face. My highlighter is also by Colourpop. It's their Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek. And I'm also using this as my inner corner and brow highlight. For my lower lash line, I kind of just used whatever orange was left on my brush, and I realized after I finished filming that I forgot to put lower lash mascara on, but you know what, it's fine, we're still rocking the look. And then for my lips, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Lovebug. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you love this palette as much as I do. So I'll see you next time. Bye!